What if I told you that some people actually get richer during a recession? While most panic, downsize, and hoard cash, others use one powerful strategy to not only protect their money, but multiply it. Today, I'm revealing that strategy. And no, it's not just buy gold or cut expenses. It's smarter than that. Stick with me until the end, because I'll break down exactly how the wealthy prepare and how you can do the same, no matter your income level. Let's start with the basics. Recessions are part of the economic cycle. They're not rare. In fact, they're predictable. But here's the thing. Most people react emotionally. They sell at the bottom, they hold cash too long, and they miss the rebound. Meanwhile, those who understand how the cycle works prepare in advance. They build liquidity, study market signals, and most importantly, they take calculated action when others freeze. So what's the strategy? It's simple, but not easy. Accumulate undervalued assets when fear is at its highest. That could mean stocks, real estate, businesses, or even digital assets. The key isn't just buying the dip. The key is buying quality while others are selling garbage. Think Warren Buffett in 2008, buying great companies at bargain prices while the headlines screamed collapse. This takes courage, research, and discipline, but it works if you focus on long-term value, not short-term fear. Here's how to spot real opportunity. Look for industries with long-term demand, like energy, food, and tech infrastructure. Watch for businesses with strong cash flow, low debt, and pricing power. In real estate, target properties with location resilience and potential for cash flow, not just appreciation. Avoid speculative plays. This is not the time to gamble. Pro tip: follow the smart money. Institutional investors start moving quietly before the crowd catches on. Now, a warning. Most people make one of these 3 mistakes in a downturn: holding too much cash and waiting for the perfect bottom, panic selling good investments at a loss, over-leveraging on risky assets out of desperation. Avoid all 3. Instead, build your plan before fear hits full force. Have a watch list. Know your buy targets. Stick to it. So what can you do today? Rebalance your portfolio toward value and resilience. Build up a strategic cash reserve, not out of fear, but to take action. Start learning about sectors that perform well in downturns. Look for income streams that aren't tied to a paycheck, side businesses, dividends, or digital products. Recessions are painful, but they're also the greatest wealth transfer events of our lifetime, if you're ready. Remember, wealth isn't built in good times. It's built in bad times by people who are prepared. So ask yourself, are you reacting or are you positioning? If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. New strategies every week to help you build wealth with clarity, no hype. And in the comments, let me know. What's your game plan for the next 12 months? Are you playing offense or defense?